taking some food and some supplies, not much, but something, to help a family in need. So let's move forward and see who's there.
Just be careful.
Okay, kayo po.
Oo.
Di galog-log ako na hayop po.
I'm so tall. How are you?
What is it? What is it?
Is this your baby? What's her
She's the
name?
mother. Di nga saan na lang te sige lang te. Kay gusto isab naan mo tanaw nga tusod.
Do we want the bag back? No.
You don't need to. Ikaw. Just
We brought me some food.
Ay, hindi. Ada na.
ako kuno pagkaan saan.
I just.
You're good. It's on.
Okay, I would give you because we're gonna come back and do another box of food, but I don't know how long. I mean, how long would it take for something like that to happen? They start working on it right away.
Mupanik ako. Balik ha.
Dito ko, sir. Sir, ang si anda ko. Hindi na ho. Hindi ho. Ipalit manggod ko yaan kanila, Jasmine. Ako magpaayo kayo nga ni. Ako labak-labak ko ng bato. Nilan, yung silingan ko. Ano yan nga ako magkuhan silingan. Kayo ay kwarta. Minsan ay pagbangan.